Are you looking for a home on a large lot, few neighbors, and a shop? Come take a look at what 7331 Rimrock has to offer. And take a look at this open kitchen with a gas stove and stainless steel appliances. Upstairs consists of a large living room, 2 bedrooms, and 1 bathroom. And the basement consists of 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, large family room, laundry room, and check out this conversation pit next to the fireplace. Check out this 2-tiered deck, perfect for entertaining. And the immaculate landscaped yard, you ought to see it in the summer. Here's the path that leads to the shop. Let's go check it out. This 32 by 40 heated shop has plenty of room for toys, vehicles, even has its own little workshop. If you're ready to take a look at this home, give us a call, 307-670-9222.